In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly sum rows and columns of numbers in Excel. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the Excel file that I use in this video, just go to the description below and click on the link to download your own copy. Over here in Excel, we've got a report that's got some rows and columns of numbers, and we're going to see how to add them up. So let's start with the columns. So all you need to do is click on a cell and type in equals sum and then open brackets to start off your sum function. And then you just need to select the range of cells that you want to add up. So I'll just drag the mouse down there, close the brackets and press enter. And as you can see, our sum function has added up that column of numbers and the result is 414,000. If we just drag that across, we can copy the function to add up the contents of the other columns, and that saves us having to type in the sum function again. Okay, let's do a row now. So we'll just type in equals sum and then open the brackets. And then we just need to select the range of cells that we want to add up, close the brackets and press enter. And if I click back into that function, we can see that we're now adding up the numbers in this row. Okay, so once again, all we need to do is grab the handle and drag it to copy the function down. So I'll just check this last one here. And as you can see, we're adding up those 3 cells in that row, which is correct. So now we have added up our rows and our columns using the sum function. And if we want to do a grand total, we can just drag this one across. And that will do a sum of all of the totals there for the rows, giving us a grand total of 1.422 million. So that's how you can use the sum function to quickly add up numbers in either rows or columns.